Let's make a chickpea salad sandwich. This is such an easy, delicious, hearty recipe. Here's what you'll need. 2 cans of chickpeas, vegan mayo, red onion, celery, sweet pickle relish, ground black pepper, a lemon, a little lemon juice, sea salt, turmeric. I have some dry dill, fresh dill, some parsley. Drain and rinse your chickpeas with a potato masher or fork. Mash the chickpeas. You want to try and get all of the chickpeas mashed so that there aren't any whole chickpeas. If there are a few, don't worry about it. You just want to get most of them mashed so everything will come together nicely. Add mayo, lemon, dried dill, add a little black pepper, a little salt, turmeric, relish, and give it a good mix. Add your fresh dill and parsley. It's starting to smell really good. You could always add more mayo if you like more mayo. Make it a little bit creamier. And of course, adjust the seasonings to your taste. Now we've got our red onion. Add the chopped red onion and the chopped celery. And there we have it, chickpea salad. Now let's go ahead and assemble our sandwich. And now we're just gonna layer it up. Greens. Also add more dill. And now we taste. That is so good. All those flavors in there. You gotta try this. So good. I'm gonna get into this some more. And I will see you next time.